So let's talk about 5 smart ways you can start investing your small 5,000 naira right here in Nigeria. So many people actually believe that they need big money for them to start investing. Some people think they need up to 100,000 to 1 million naira for them to actually start investing. You don't need much money for you to start investing because there are a lot of opportunities around you that you can start investing with as low as your small 5,000 naira. In today's video, I gather 5 different ways that you can start a smart investment with just 5,000 naira right here in Nigeria. So this actually means that if you can start your investment journey today, you open more doors for yourself to create wealth. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Right here, I talk about different online side hustles that you can start, especially right here in Nigeria. Do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Please note that this video is intended for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this is also not an investment advice. Now, these are methods that I personally use for me, that has worked out for me. And I believe that if I actually share these methods right here and you follow my footsteps, you can learn one or two that can help you in your investment journey, especially right here in Nigeria. And also, I'm doing this video on a new week, so please just comment Happy New Week in the comment section. I think that would be very, very helpful. Recently, somebody DM me and asked me, I have 30,000 naira. How can I invest my 30,000 naira? So the person have 30,000 and he or she does not know how to invest that particular 30,000. So I want to show you how you can invest as low as 5,000 naira right here in Nigeria. And I don't tell people what I don't do. I always tell people exactly what I do. The first safe and quick return investment you can start with 5,000 naira today in Nigeria is called digital savings. This is actually when you save your money with different fintech apps right here in Nigeria and you get return of investment. It can be every single day, it can be every single week, it can be every single month, it can be annually, it can be 6 months based on how you set it. Digital savings actually have different platforms that you can try. For example, they have a lot of platforms. They have platforms like Piggyvest. Piggyvest is one of the oldest digital savings platform right here in Nigeria. They have platforms like Carrywise. Carrywise, I just start using it recently and I've been hearing about it a lot. People have been talking about it. Carrywise. Okay, let me see how Carrywise actually look like. So the first thing I did was I downloaded the app, I set up my account and I verified my account. They have a part right here, they call it the learn part. Now, if you come down to this learn part, you're going to see different tutorials about different things, different updates. You can see every single month they drop a new update that shows you that the app is actually active. This app is active. This app is registered and it's actually legal. So all the documentations are there. So you can see that they have different updates every single month. So right here, you can come down here and start reading and you see how the platform actually works. So they have articles right here about different investment methods and also how you can go about their platform. So this is one of the best parts I like about them on this Carrywise. I just saw this app recently. I said, okay, let me try this Carrywise because the thing is that I've heard a lot of people talking about it. So Carrywise is one of the digital savings platform that I personally can recommend for you because I am actually using it. Mutual fund, Naira mutual fund. They have Nigerian stock market. You can invest into the stock market. They have high yield plans. This one is for Odogus. If you know that you are not an Odogu, don't open this one because you'll be very, very shocked. Naira mutual funds, dollar mutual funds, which you can invest into different mutual funds. And I think they have different investment options right here that you can explore. And that is why I fell in love with the app. I just started using it recently, but I have already fallen in love with the app, right? So you can actually check it out if you want a digital saving platform or if you want a recommendation from me. So the first method you can start investing with just 5,000 naira is through digital savings platform. And let me give you a little tip. A little tip is that you have to reinvest your profit. Digital savings is one of the best ways to start investing in Nigeria with as low as 5,000 naira. How many of you know that right now in Nigeria, you cannot buy 10 plantain with 1,000 naira, which means that the agricultural sector of Nigeria is actually suffering. So the second type of investment you can invest right here is for you to invest into agriculture. I know some of you will say, okay, I'm not a farmer, I don't have land. They call this particular method agricultural crowdfunding, and they have different platforms that can help you do that. They have platforms here like Farm Crowdy, platforms like Thrive Agric can also help you do that, So how does this actually work? You sign up an account with this platform. Some of these products are products that grow and can be harvested in 3 months. Some of them are 6 months. Some of them are 1 year. So you see the one that are actually fast and easy. You actually deposit your wallet and you invest into a specific product that you think that will yield or will can be harvested as fast as possible. They carry your money, they gather the money from different investors, they invest into that particular sector, and return of investment can be up to 10% to 25% return of investment. Invest in agriculture because hunger day. All right, so investment number 3 that you can start with as low as 5,000 is called fractional stock investing. When you buy small portion of shares from different companies, maybe foreign companies or Nigerian companies, and I believe you can do this with as low as 1,000 to 5,000 naira, especially right here in Nigeria, and you can get return of investment right there based on the company you buy shares from. Banking sectors, telecom sectors, and also blue chip sectors, right? So these are sectors that are always stable and they are always active, right? So look for a profitable company or look for different companies that are actually profitable and buy different shares from these companies. After 3 months, you're going to get dividends on your investment, or you just look for the ones that are down, you buy them when they are down, they rise up, you sell them, and you make your profit. That is called trading in the stock market. I talked about that in my previous video. You can actually go and check it out. Now, this is actually the third way to start investing right here in Nigeria. The fourth investment you can start with as low as 5,000 naira right here in Nigeria is called mini reselling. Gadgets, fashion, different things that are actually trending in your area, in your environment. You look for wholesale sellers, you buy from them. You can check on AliExpress, madeinchina.com. Now, these are platforms that sell products very, very cheap. You can go down there and buy from AliExpress, buy from madeinchina.com, buy from Alibaba, all these platforms, buy from them. So what you do is that you come on WhatsApp and you resell this product on WhatsApp, you resell this product on Instagram, you sell this product on Facebook Marketplace, and you make profit. That's how you start with as low as 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira right here in Nigeria. A lot of people are doing this, right? And a lot of people are making good money from this, especially if you know how to market your product. Now, the fifth investment on my list, perhaps one of the most important investment, is called digital skills investment. This is actually when you invest into yourself by learning different online digital skills. You pay to learn online digital skills, different digital skills that can help you make some money for yourself. And the funny thing is that the return of investment in this particular investment is unlimited if you only know how to monetize these your skills. Now, step 1, look for a high in demand digital skills in your area. It can be video editing, graphic design, content creation. So if you have 5k and you say you don't know what to do, it means you don't just have the knowledge, because there are a lot of things you can do. Now, this video editing class is going to teach you how you can start video editing just with your smartphone, especially right here in Nigeria, all the tools you need and how you can go about it. And it's even lower than 5,000 naira for you to get the course. So I'm going to drop it for you in the comment section or in the description of this video. Do well to check it out if you only want a digital skills that you can monetize. So among all these investment methods, tell me the one that you like most in the comment section. And also don't forget, if you need step-by-step tutorials on different platforms or on different earning methods, do well to join me on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.